Chase Sapphire Preferred or Capital One Venture X. Which of these two cards do I recommend to use for your everyday spending card? Now, I really like both of these cards, but for different reasons. Chase Sapphire Preferred offers a great flexible point system called Chase Ultimate Rewards. You can move those points over to Southwest, my favorite airline, for flying free. And if you have the Southwest Companion Pass, where one person always flies free with you on Southwest, you really get double the value out of those points. But I also like that you can use them for other purposes too, like transferring them over to different hotel chains, transferring them to different airlines, or even using the Chase Travel Portal to really book about any kind of travel that you want. Now, compare that with Capital One Venture X. I really like this card for anything that you can't use points to pay for. It is a completely flexible card that lets you charge any travel expense to it and then erase it. What that means is you can use your points with Capital One to reduce the amount that you owe for a particular charge, or you can reduce that charge in full. And so it's a great option for things like theme park tickets, Airbnb, and other things that you can't traditionally use points to pay for. Now, it's a little bit hard to say which card you should personally use for your everyday spend. That's the value of being a Families Fly Free member. We take a look at your personal situation. We look at what cards you already have. We look at your travel goals. We look at your favorite airline and hotel chains and how many points you have already. And based on that, we make a recommendation for what we think would be the best card for you to use for your everyday spend. To learn more about Families Fly Free, check out familiesflyfree.com/join.